What are you doing?
It's nobody.
Do you need help?
Okay.
That is G. G is for?
Yes.
G is for grapes.
Hi guys.
Yeah, say hi guys.
Yes. It's kind of
Okay, hi guys, welcome to the vlog. So my window is open, that's why you can hear so much noise. I keep it open for 1 to 2 hours and I do not make my bed so that the moisture of the bed and the pillow can get out of the house. So it's good for your bed to breathe. That's what we have learned from other YouTubers and I think it's a good tip, so that's why I follow it. So yeah, it's a just random day in our life vlog that I'm sharing with you guys today, because on Instagram and YouTube I'm sharing a lot of things like recipes and indoor play ideas for kids and how to entertain them, how to keep occupied them, and even like what and how to teach your 2-year-old 3-year-old kids at home, because at the end we are all stuck at home and we still want to teach our kids. That's why I'm sharing a lot of content, but vlog was missing. So here I am today sharing with you all my day in a life. But before that, let me quickly show you my plants. Okay, so in here there are chili. I have put some chili flakes. I don't know when it will grow. This is tomato I'm trying to grow. Yeah, so it took approximately 7 to 8 days to germinate. Then here are okra. Nirvi, you need to be careful. What are you doing? So she was jumping on me and accidentally she dropped down. Okay, so Nimish has got this milk bottle from sides and he wants to grow sunflower from the mouth of the milk bottle. That's funny, but let's see if it grows. Yeah, so in both the bottle we have sunflower seeds. Then this is holy basil and I'm so proud that I was actually able to grow it because we love it. And then here are some garlics that I had put some garlic cloves in water and I used to change the water for in every 1 or 2 days, and I kept in sunlight so it germinated, and then I had put it in the pot. This is mustard seeds, so I just randomly put some mustard seeds on the soil, and above top I had put some more soil, like 1 or 2 centimeter soil, and then it grew like in 3 to 4 days. Here we are growing some black chana, Bengal gram, if you want to say a little bit, not too much. And there's some flower, I don't know, I forgot the name, but there's some flower. We'll give the water at like after some time, but you wanna water the plant, but first finish your breakfast, please. Don't water too much, okay? Otherwise they'll die. And if you think why TV is here, because we had set it up for the long weekend so that we can watch all the movies and shows that we want, and it is still here because yeah, we still watch that. I'm editing a vlog and then I came across few clips which will be so helpful if I'll share. So a lot of my friends and family were talking about this on my WhatsApp group and also personal DMs, that what should we do with the supplies that we bring from like grocery store and how to keep them clean and all that free. I will not talk about this, otherwise my video will not get monetized. So here I will share with you all what I do personally to keep it all clean and safe to use. They say the CV can be in your refrigerator for 28 days. So what I do, whenever the groceries come, I give all the packaged food and also milk bottles very good rinse with the dish soap. I take out all the things out from my refrigerator, give it a good wipe, and keep all the things back again. And the things to which I cannot give a wash,
I mean the packets, I give them a wipe with the disinfectant wipe. And all the vegetables that we bring, I mean the produce, we keep it outside for 12 hours so that we can dye, and then we put them back in the refrigerator.
So Nirvi demanded for orange juice for the first time in my life, in her life. So I peeled one orange. I had added maple syrup instead of sugar. Let's see if Nirvi likes it, okay? Here you go, Nirvi. What is this? It's orange juice, yeah. How is it? How is it, Nirvi? Yummy?
So today's lunch was a complete fail. I was trying to make gobi ke parathe, but there was something wrong with the filling. So I had to roll the filling in the roti and have it with raita, but it was fine.
What are you doing? Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Sorry, sorry. Bye. चुपली नीरवी ऐसे कौन सोता है चुपली
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and
What is that?
stones. Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair.
Orange juice. How is it? Is it yummy and good? Is it yummy?